Hello, and this is going to be our lesson 3, and we're going to be talking about phonics generalization, silent E. Generalization of silent E would be the hat versus hate or cap versus cape. For our materials for the lesson, we will have flashcards showing pairs of words that illustrate the silent E rule. For example, hat, hate, cap, cape. A chart with a simple explanation of the rule. So when there's a silent E at the end of the word, it makes the vowel say its name. Or a whiteboard or paper to write examples and then put out along the classroom to then have up along the year so that the kids are constantly looking at them. For our lesson breakdown for our I do, I would start off by today we're going to learn about the silent E. When there's a silent E at the end of a word, the vowel says its name and the silent E is silent. Write hat on the board and then say this word has a short A sound. Now let's add an E at the end to make hate. Write hate on the board, emphasizing how the vowel sounds changes from short to long because of the silent E. The we do, which would be the guided practice. We would show the word, for example, cap, and ask, what sound does the A make in cap? And then say the word together, cap with the short A sound. Now show the word cape and ask what happens when we add the silent E. And then together we say cape with the long A sound. And then we write both of those on the board so that then they're getting that visualized learning as well. And they're looking at it, reading it, or saying it out loud. They're getting their practice in as much as possible. For their you do or I do independent practice, I would provide students with a set of word pairs like bit and bite, hop and hope, and then hate, hat, cap, cape, and then ask them to identify which words have the silent E, and then say the vowel sound in each word, and then have them underline the silent E under each of the words that they're writing. And then to close out the lesson, I would probably go into it as remember the silent E at the end of the word makes the vowel say its name, and the E is silent. And these will be all 3 of my lessons. Have a good day.